Martin Luther King said that the universe tends toward justice. The trajectory of the universe tends toward justice. But I believe that it is a human engine that drives it there.
Justice is aspirational. No amount of money can restore your health if you've been seriously injured, and no amount of jail time can restore your life savings if it's been stolen from you.
In many ways, justice serves as my moral compass. Given the facts and circumstances, do I think that an injustice has been committed?
At bottom, it means that someone whose rights have been violated has the ability and opportunity to obtain a fair hearing and a fair resolution, redressing the injury that they've suffered, regardless of how rich or powerful those who caused the injury are.
As a mother of 2 very small children, I really want to make the world a safer place. And to me, that means making sure that when somebody hurts someone, whether that somebody is big, well-financed, powerful, that they're held accountable.
Justice is not necessarily about winning or losing. You like to win, you want to win. Your clients want to win. But justice is having the opportunity to make your case.
Justice is a really complicated mix, I think, of challenging in your mind the way things are, realizing they don't have to be like that, but also paying attention to that really simple feeling in your gut when you know that something is wrong.
To me, justice is really about fairness. Fair, decent opportunity to tell your case, to say why it is that you've been wrong.
An opportunity to address what had happened to you and try to fix that, or find a way to correct that, or find a remedy.
Justice means providing a voice to protect an individual.
And giving them access to the legal system and trying to right those wrongs that they've suffered.
A lawsuit can never restore all the things taken from someone in terms of shame that is caused or the loss that they feel. But there is such an incredible value when you know that not only did you have a company be brought to justice, a company have to repay for the wrong that it caused, but when you can change the practices in that company, you can sometimes affect an entire industry.
Justice is possible, but justice is always threatened. What we see increasingly is a threat to access to the courts for people who aren't rich and powerful.
There are periods where it seems less likely or it's harder to achieve it, but I think the system ultimately promotes justice. I think that's where we come in.
There's so many ways in which people in our society compete with one another and seek an advantage over one another. And to me, justice is about making sure that that playing field is as level as possible.
It is gratifying to take people who are victims and assist them in not only getting some sort of redress, but the knowledge that it won't be happening again.
We don't take every case that comes in the door. We take cases that we think are going to make a difference.
Even though we see injustice and unfairness and cruelty in the world, and even though people are often cruel to each other, justice is our job. We may not make it in our lifetimes, but we'll get there.